Kristoff! Anong ginagawa niya ni Daddy Lo? Ay! You're tired? Ah? Nag-walk kayo ni Daddy Lo?
Just
Tired
watching.
ka na?
Just watch.
Ah? You're tired and you're resting now? Ah? Uy, nag-walk sila ni Daddy Lo. Tired ka na? Sleepy ka na? Hindi pa? Mamaya pa mag-sleep? Uy. Uy, sus naman ang baby.
Don't be put.
Okay. Okay.
Behave, naka. Okay.
Oh yeah, he's behave.
Behave.
Mabait yan. Diba?
Behave.